Suunnitelmassa kehittyy Helsingin Kalevankatu 57 in Helsinki, staircase A. In 1960, it's 9125. Fifth floor. Three parcels, you earn 40 kilograms. This building has two amazing and early 60s Kone elevators with NPN 6 are rectangular fixtures, wooden cap and doors. Respektive parkivais pitää maintain pääkaupunkiservice-keskus on fortunately it is still original, not generic one. Fifth floor. Ground floor.
Now, if you want, I can take another ride at it so you can find the flight locations.
Yeah. Please focus. Here comes the counterweight.
Wonder what kind of alarm it has on floor 1.
Yeah.
Can't see.
That's